Hey guys, it's Adrian from ACAnatomy.com. Welcome to this channel where we focus mainly on ZBrush human and animal anatomy digital sculpting. So I have very exciting news for you guys. We decided to share our premium courses for free on this channel because of audio quality so forth. So we decided not to sell them, but then just to share them for free. So we're going to be starting with the cow anatomy, which we started from a mannequin and until we finish this crochet that you can see on screen. They're going to be live on this channel I believe for the entire month, and we will share the entire process with you guys for free. So if you haven't subscribed or if you haven't checked that notification bell, I suggest you do it right now so you won't miss out on these courses that we will share on this channel. And again, I'm Adrian from ACAnatomy.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. See you guys on the next one.